This dog has a talent that no one expected, an unbelievably loud snore. Every night, the entire house trembles as this pup snoozes away, making a noise that sounds more like a freight train than a furry friend. You won't believe how loud it gets. It's truly something to behold. I'm about to show you the original video, but first, leave a like and subscribe if you think this dog is adorable. If you don't, you must not like puppies. Watch as this dog lets out a snore so powerful it'll shake you to your core. Comment snore if this pup's snoring cracked you up.